Actually, let's go over the agenda real quick before we jump into the DOPEX section of our webinar today. We've done introductions, and so we'll be getting into some of the challenges that DOPEX and Calance and Billy solve for when managing vendor compliance as well as ERP integrations. We'll be giving a demo later on of our Sage 300 integration here on the Billy side. And looks like we're already seeing some live poll results here as displayed on my screen here. So thanks to everyone who's already contributed their responses. And if you haven't yet, feel free to let us know. It helps us understand what tooling and technologies everyone's using in construction tech right now so that we can adjust our solutions and customize them further to meet the demand and meet the moment for you all. So yeah, we'll be getting into the DOPEX here, DOPEX section here. So Chris, feel free to tell us a little bit about your company.
Sure. So DOPEX, it stands for a really long phrase, which is why we just go by the abbreviation, but it's Department of Operational Excellence, and that really sums up who we are and what we do. We're a team of construction technology experts, and we really just help. Our goal is to help scaling builders pick the right tools and use the tech the right way. A lot of times, I think people buy technology thinking that it's going to fix a weak process, and we try and come in there and help them reclaim ownership over their processes and make the tech work for them instead of against them. A little different, and that we really do focus on process over technology. We're not going to pretend that we're the bee's knees at things that we're not good at, though. And so we do are pretty laser focused on a few pieces of software, such as Procore, Acumatica, Power BI. And then we obviously work with other partners like Billy and Calance. Got some mutual clients because there's unfortunately not one thing out there that solves every need. Our mercenary style delivery, we come in and we just get the job done. We've been there and done that, and so there's a level of certainty in our delivery that we're able to commit to. We're obviously there for long-term partnerships, but if you just need something done, we can do that for you. And overall, just our culture, we're just pretty down-to-earth people, and you're just going to feel like you're working with real people. We're authentic. We're not going to BS you. We're going to cut to the chase and just make sure that we get the job done.
I love that you've highlighted the topic of consultant speak. I feel like that's a hot button word these days. A lot of people get paid a lot of money to just talk and not do anything. And so it's nice to have you all on the call today, Chris, you and the DOPEX people, because you know we need people to be solving problems and doing things and not just talking from a consultant perspective. So I love that you put that on this slide here.
Yeah, thank you.
Daniel, over to you.
All right. Is there another slide for Calance?
Yes.
All right, cool. Yeah, so it's funny. I love what Chris just said because we do project controls integrations. Don't ask us to train you on the software. Don't ask. I mean, we can give you recommendations, but really, we're here to make sure that your processes that you decided are the best for you can be automated in a way that works for you. And that's what we do. And we don't promise BS stuff either. It's really funny. We have a very similar culture. Like all of us on this webinar, we're not just going to come in and say you ought to do this, that, and the other, and then leave. We come in, we work with you to get your integrations up and running and tailor them to your specific needs. Is there another slide?
There is.
No, you're going the wrong. Oh, well, no, that is us. Okay. Yeah. So, is this the last slide for Calance?
You've got a few
Oh, there
others.
we go. Yeah, this is the one. Basically, the systems that we integrate. I saw some people said Autodesk. We also do. We just started into the Autodesk integration world recently, but we integrate with a lot of systems. We've actually, and we're long-term Procore partners. We actually have written their out-of-the-box MRI and NetSuite integrations. So, yeah, as I said, this is what we do all day and every day. And we make the integrations work for the business. When we do integrations, we don't consider that an IT project. It's a business project. We want to talk to the people who are using Procore out in the field. How do you need it to work? We're going to get everything to work for you from an automated perspective so that you don't have to log into your accounting systems and you don't have to have your accountants log into Procore. Yeah, and we just try to make it simple. When we do our job well, no one knows that anything's happened. Everything just happens behind the scenes. Data just flows, which we're going to show you in this webinar. It just happens, and you just do your job and don't worry about the integrations. That is the goal. That's
Awesome. Yeah, it's good to have technology partners that are willing to be hands-on and get your hands dirty, right? No
oh,
one likes to be told what to do. No one likes to be given homework. Technology should just be working for us, right?
right. We do our best to get out of the way.